Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's video, we are going to research and discover animals that produces bioluminescence. In today's science lesson, we are going to find out different animals that produces bioluminescence. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to show by drawing different sea creatures that produces bioluminescence. You should be able to explain the purpose of bioluminescence for a bioluminescent sea creature. You should also be able to research and note down the importance of bioluminescence to the creatures of the deep. I'm sure by now you are familiar with the word bioluminescence because we were able to discover the meaning in one of our English videos. But we are going to have a quick recap before we continue. Come along, let's learn together. Once again, what might the word bioluminescence mean? Pause the video and remind yourself what this means. Welcome back. Did you say bioluminescence is light produced by a chemical reaction within a living organism? Did you also say that bioluminescence is the term for a chemical reaction where light is produced? Yes, bioluminescence is light produced by a chemical reaction within a living organism. It's a term we could use to describe a chemical reaction where light is produced. When the lights go out, items that glow in the dark can be mysterious and fascinating. I bet you know that. Did you know? Long before things such as glow sticks came along, some plants, fungi, and animals were glowing in the dark. Yes, they were. Example, the jellyfish. The production of light by a living organism is known as bioluminescence. This is the simplest way I can define this and the simplest way you can remember it. The production of light by a living organism is known as bioluminescence. Biologist William Beebe helped discover many marine species in the deep sea that glowed. This biologist was interested in animals or sea creatures that glowed, and he helped discover several of them. These organisms had glowing spots in certain helpful places or glowing patterns on their bodies. Some glowing organisms that are found in the water include the anglerfish, moon jellyfish, crystal jellyfish, atolla jellyfish, Bacosauro jellyfish, cluster-winged snail, Tomopteris black dragonfly. All these are some of the sea creatures that glows. I hope you can remember some of these. Good job. Red glow. Can you think of any glowing sea creature found in the UAE? In all your adventure in the different beach or sea in UAE, have you come across any sea creature that glowed? Pause the video and have a think. Mention some of those sea creatures you have seen, maybe in the aquarium, that glowed. Welcome back. Now, specific type of bioluminescent psychoplankton called dinoflagellates lined a Fujairah beach. This sea creature, experts confirmed that the creatures are harmless. Dinoflagellates species are present in the Arabian Gulf throughout the year in high densities. So this is one of the sea creatures that has been found in the Fujairah beach that glows. Are there other animals that express the bioluminescence characteristics? These are non-sea creatures. Can you think of any other animals that expresses the bioluminescence characteristics that is not a sea creature? I'll give you an example. Firefly. Can you think of others? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Now, why do these sea creatures produce light? Do you have an idea why these beautiful, amazing sea creatures produce their light? Pause the video and have a think, and then come back and see if your answers are the same as mine. Welcome back. It is thought that bioluminescence is used by organisms to lure prey, communicate, deal with a buildup of harmful chemicals, and protect against predators. So 3 things or 4 things have been mentioned here. They use it to get their prey, they use it to communicate, they use it to deal with a buildup of harmful chemicals, and also use it to protect themselves against predators, that is, animals that eat them. Now, here are some answers coming to light discovered by some very intelligent scientists. We still do not know why many organisms use bioluminescence. Research is being done by scientists to discover why some living things want or need to create their own light. They are trying to answer questions like: why do a fungi use light? What use is light to a worm living in the dark soil? How is the light helpful to the organism creating it and other organisms? The search is on to find more living things that can create their own light. However, discovering them is a real challenge, as they can only be seen in the dark. Remember, forming point or forming reason why we think these sea creatures produce light is to lure their prey, that is to get the animals they eat, to communicate, to deal with a buildup of harmful chemicals, and to protect against the animals that eat them, that is the predators. I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Now, your tasks for today. You're going to choose any of the 3 tasks and do same. Number 1, show by drawing different sea creatures that produce bioluminescence. Number 2, explain the purpose of bioluminescence for a bioluminescent sea creature. And 3, research and note down the importance of bioluminescence to the creatures of the deep. Choose any of these tasks and do same. Remember, the more you research, you get to find out several things for yourself. And I bet you are confident with today's lesson. If you are not, please rewatch the video for more understanding and more clarification. This is me saying goodbye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. And I will see you in the next science video. Bye everyone.